Hi there, welcome to another class. Let's start this lesson by reviewing some prepositions, okay? Hands up, on your head, under your head, between your legs, in front of you, behind you, next to you, on your head. Okay, that's good. Class, the topic for today is present tense. We are going to practice using present. To begin with, let me tell you, we have different forms of present. Simple present, just present, simple. Another form of present is present progressive. That's another way. That's also present. Another form when talking about present is the present perfect. It is present in a different form. It's present perfect, excuse me. And the last form is present perfect progressive. This is also present, but in a different form. Okay, now we know that present tense has this four different forms. We are going to see how each one works, okay? Okay, I have four examples of verb conjugations. Four examples of verb conjugations. Let's match. We are going to match the conjugation to the correct present form, okay? The first one, let's look at the first form of present. Present simple. Oh, or simple present, it's the same thing. Simple present. If it says simple, we are gonna choose the simple way of conjugation. Am playing, looks, only one word, have erased, or has been erasing. It is looks. Looks is an example of a verb conjugated in the simple present. Okay? Let's keep going. Present progressive. Present progressive. Remember, present progressive means something is in progress. It's continuing. Okay? How about am playing, have erased, or has been dancing? Present progressive. Remember, present progressive expresses what's happening now, at the moment. Am playing, like I am playing right now. Correct. Ta-da! That's an example of present progressive. Now we just have two more to go. Present perfect. Present perfect expresses finished action. Yep. But present perfect requires a helping verb. Not to be, have erased. Present perfect will always have this helping verb and the other verb, the verb in action, is in past participle. Excuse me. Let me move my chair a little. And the last example is for present perfect progressive. Just like we have progressive here with ing, progressive here has ing. Dancing. What's the difference? The difference is here in present progressive, the helping verb is to be. Am, are, or is in present. And here in present perfect progressive, first is it's present perfect, the helping verb is have. Okay, so has or have been dancing. Really? There we go. Already we have examples. Okay, I have another set of verbs. This time I need you to find the answers. Simple present. Look at the examples down at the bottom. Simple present. Which one is the simplest? Correct. Which one is the present progressive? Present progressive. Look at the example. To be, which is, are, or am, plus the verb with ing. Are coloring. Yes, are coloring. Present perfect. Have plus past participle. Oh, it's already there. And present perfect progressive. Progressive has ing, have been. There we go. Good job. Okay, that being said and practiced, I need you to go to page 86. Please go to page 86. Are you there? Good. This is about what topic? Present tense verbs review. Why did I just show you the verbs? Because it is in the verb where we identify if the sentence is in present, in past, in future, or what conjugation it is in. Okay? Now, let's read what the book says right there on top of the page. Present tense verbs are used to talk about what is happening now. Let's read that again. Present tense verbs are used to talk about what is happening now. That's why it is the present. Read through some examples of types of present tense verbs. The first example is simple present, and there's a sentence there. Can you read it? Go. Plays hockey from the local team. The second example of present is present progressive. Can you read the example there? She is starring in the school play. Can you read the next present form? Present perfect. And the sentence, please. I have read a lot of science fiction. And now for the present perfect progressive, the book gives you an example. Can you read it? Alan has been watching his sister every night. Okay, now we practice this and we already know like the parts in the conjugation. Now, look at activity number 1 there. Read instructions, please. Answer the following questions using the verb tenses in parentheses. Before we start, let's check what instructions say. Answer the following questions. Oh, the book is asking you questions. And you have to answer. Correct. But it says answer using what? The verb tenses in the parentheses. Let's look at number 1. I'm going to show you my book. I like showing my book because it's simple. right there. Here's the question. And in the parentheses, they tell you, okay, give me the answer in this tense. And number one, it is simple tense. Let me get a pen. Yeah, here, the parenthesis is telling you they want an answer in present tense. But also, if you look at the question, you will see that the auxiliary verb is in present. That tells you if the question is in present, the answer has to be in present. Okay? Now, let's do that one together. Okay? What do you do on Saturdays? What do you do on Saturdays? The first thing you have to do is write down the subject. Who will your answer about? What do you? So the answer is, what do you do? They're asking you about your activities on Saturdays. What? I watch because we're using simple present. And simple present, we just need the verb. Oops, can we say watch? No. Do we need to say watches? No. Only for he, she, and it, in simple present, we put an S. For I, the base form. I watch TV on Saturdays. Capital S. There we go. Now, if we look at the verb, is this simple present like the parenthesis is asking you? Yes, it is. Now let's read number 2. If you need to stop the video, it's okay. Stop the video, write your answer, and then you continue, okay? Ready? Here's number 2. It says, what are you studying now? And in the parentheses, they are saying you need an answer in present progressive. Okay, in this activity, they are telling you they want an answer in present progressive. But if they don't tell you, you can identify the answer. Sorry, you can identify your verb tense here. What are you studying? ing, you see that? Are plus a verb in ing. Are plus a verb in ing. You might be saying, that's not are, that's am. But remember, to be can be is, am, or are. Oh, to be has 3 different forms. Okay, so let's read the question again and then answer in what tense? Present progressive tense. What are you studying now in this moment? The subject is mine? No. That's a possessive word. What is the subject? Correct. This? No, that's incorrect. That's not how you spell I. Oh, like this. No, that's me. That is a subject pronoun. Not in that. Sorry, that's an object pronoun. So, what's the subject? I. And that's just one letter. Capital, okay? Remember, start sentences with capital letter. I is, I am, or I are. I am. What are you studying now? English. I am studying. Study, don't forget the ing. I'm studying English. If you need to stop the video, stop it. Finish writing your answer. Are you ready for number 3? We're almost done. Number 3. Here it is. I'm going to show you my book. It says, what kinds of foods have you eaten this week? What kinds of foods have you eaten this week? And the answer they want from you must be in present perfect. If they didn't tell you, could you find the tense in the question? Yep, it's right here. What things of foods have you eaten? In the question, they are using present perfect. So your answer must be in present perfect, like the parenthesis says. Already, what kinds of foods have you eaten this week? What is the subject? I. Oh, we finished this one. Now we are doing present perfect. What is the auxiliary? The helping verb. I have. What is the verb? It's in the question. This is it in past participle. Eaten. I have eaten. What kinds of food? I have eaten cereal, meat. I have eaten dairy products. You name what you have eaten this week. You can also give names of food. I have eaten apples. I have eaten sandwiches. Okay? The important thing here is the conjugation of the verb. Is this present perfect? Auxiliary have? Yeah. Verb in past participle? Yeah. If you need to stop the video now to write your answer, stop it. Are you ready for number 4? Just this one and then we're done. Let's read it. What have you been doing as a hobby for a long time? What have you been doing as a hobby for a long time? Again, what's the subject? If they're saying, what have you? The answer is, and then auxiliary. In this case, this is has, because that's singular, but it can also be have. Have. For I, it's have. So the subject is plus the conjugation. Here is in the question, we can identify the tense. Have you been doing? So your answer is I playing chess. I been doing taekwondo. I playing the piano. Yeah, I go like this. That's not how you play the piano, I bet. Okay, that answer, you need to write it yourself. So please stop the video, write the answer, and then come back. All right. Good job, class. Guess what? We finished. Before we say goodbye, let's do the doom doom da da. What are we doing? Here we go. Doom doom da da. I don't know where I sit. Okay. Doom doom da da. 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 You can do this all day long with your family. You just walk to the restroom, see your mom standing by, and you can tell your mom, doom, doom, da da, and see if she answers back. You're walking to the living room and you see your brother or sister there. You tell them, doom, doom, da da, see if they follow you. Doom, doom, da dum, doom, doom, da dum. All right, class. This was a very short class, a very short topic, but remember to practice this, okay? Bye. See you. Where's my hand? Oh my God, cameras. Bye. See you next time.